Hello, my name is Pedro Faria. I'm a key account manager for the East here at T1V. And today I'm going to demonstrate you guys one feature at ThinkHub that is called Dock, the ability to send any piece of content from our canvas to a non-interactive display that can be sitting anywhere in the room. In this case, it's just on the right side here of our ThinkHub that is running on an Avocor touch display. So here we have a video. If I want to dock that and have that persistency on a specific part of the room, I can send that directly into that display with a one-touch button. Now, if I go to any part of the canvas, notice that that video is still showing on that specific piece of content. I can dock images to the second dock. This video, I can dock that into the third display. Here we have two non-interactive displays on a portrait mode. We also have the ability to kind of cut that in half and have two different docks running on the same display. A big use case that we do is Zoom calls, Teams, video conferences. I can dock my participants into the non-interactive display. Now if I'm giving a presentation, I can go on in the canvas and I still have the persistency of looking at my video participants into the non-interactive displays. So that's our dock feature. For more information, please visit us at T1V.com.